In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an Apple gift card not working. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple solutions to fix an Apple gift card not working when you try to redeem it. So this could happen due to a variety of reasons. First, and the most obvious solution is to ensure that all the credentials about the gift card that you input are correct. So make sure that you are not mixing stuff like O's and zeros, B and 8s, etc. Once you double check everything, if it still doesn't work, the first thing that you should do is ensure that the card was activated. This is a process that every retailer must do after they sell you the card. So, if it is giving you a message that the card is not active instead of the card being invalid, what this could mean is that the retailer that you got the card from did not activate the gift card properly. So in this case, contact the retailer right away. Make sure you talk to the retailer that you got the card from. If they ensure that the card is active, then the next thing that you could try to do is check the region of your Apple ID. For every Apple gift card, the region or country of your account must match the region where you got the gift card from. So for example, if you acquire a gift card from the United States, your Apple ID must be set to the United States. You can change this at will when you go over to your settings and select your Apple ID country or region, as you can see on screen. And like I said, both must match. With this out of the way, if you are still unable to redeem the gift card, the best course of action is to talk to their customer support. So of course, this should be the last resort. If you talk to the retailer, the card was properly active, and your region is matching the gift card, then you will have to talk to their customer support. You will have to present plenty of information, including your Apple credentials and also the serial code or serial numbers of the gift card that you are trying to redeem, and they are going to be able to tell you about the gift card. If you provide valid information, they will redeem the gift card for you into your account, or otherwise they are going to inform you that the gift card is not valid. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Apple gift card not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.